In this video, I will show you how to show hidden games on Steam. Now, to do this, what you want to do is, of course, open up Steam and log into your account. For the purpose of this, I'm going to hide a game first of all. So what I'm going to do is come up to my games library, find the game that I want to hide. So let's take this one for example, right click onto the game and come and hover over manage. And on the submenu, there's the option here to hide this game. So when I click this, effectively what it's going to do is hide this from my games library. But it is still installed on Steam, and the way to actually show hidden games and find where your hidden games are is if you actually come up to the top and next to the Steam icon you're going to see an option to view. Give that a click, that's going to open a menu like this, and in this menu you're going to see the option for hidden games. Give that a click and it's going to take you to all your hidden games. And if at any point you want to remove this from your hidden games and add it back into your games library, just simply right click onto the game you want to unhide, hover over manage, and then you're going to see an option to remove from hidden. Give that a click. What that's going to do is remove it from your hidden games, and then all you need to do is come and click onto view again at the top, and then click onto library. As you can see, the game has now been returned back to my library, and that is how to show hidden games on Steam. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.